All right, guys, so if you are here, you're going to be looking at some peer review for your vignettes on House on Mango Street. Our learning target is I can enhance my writing by giving and getting quality feedback. Success criteria, I have given feedback to a peer and listened to their feedback to guide my writing. So the goal is not to change our story because we can't, right? It's our life, our story, but to enhance that moment and make sure it's communicated in the way that you want it to be. Our best resources is each other for that, right? To make sure. So here down you can see that there are 3 different places to swap with a peer. So during workshop time, that's an option for you. If you're doing this, please make sure you're getting a variety of viewpoints. So our directions here would be first put your name, your peer's name, figure out a way to swap. I don't know if you want to switch laptops or however you want to do that, okay? But then your job is to do a glow and a grow. So as you're reading somebody else's, we're going to think about glow. What are 2 things that went really well for this person? Think about what we've learned in class. Was it their voice? Was it their figurative language? Was it anything to do with author's craft? Was it the moment they picked? Any of those things, okay? So those are going to be 2. And then grow. What are some things that you suggest this person could do? And guys, we do this, remember, following our norms respectfully. You're not just going to be like, do better. Like, what does that mean? Okay. Give them something specific. I would love to see more figurative language around this. I'd love more sensory detail here. Okay. We don't want the word good right here. And we don't want the word none right here. We always have room to grow. If I am getting feedback, I enjoy hearing that I did well, but it doesn't help me grow as a writer just to say, it's good. Tell me what's good. Tell me what you liked about it, okay? So I'm going to push you really to do that. This should not be blank, okay? Down here, what would you like to tell this person about their vignette? We're going to type a few sentences here, just in case we don't get a chance to talk to them, then they can go back and see this later, okay? So there's 3 different rounds of that. Choose how you would like to approach this. The more viewpoints, I think, the better. Then if you have some extra time down here, there is the rubric. So go back, take that feedback that your partners gave you, and then come in and we'll self-assess and see what's next. So your job would then to be make the changes you need to within your vignette. All right, I hope this makes sense. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with.